Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and make decisions faster than humans. A world where artificial intelligence can create art, write stories, drive cars, and even imitate human voices. Sounds amazing, right? But what if this powerful technology also has a dark side? What if the same AI that helps people can also be used to deceive, manipulate, and even replace human jobs? Today, we're exploring the dark side of artificial intelligence, the risks, dangers, and challenges that come with one of the most powerful technologies ever created. Let's begin. 1. AI can spread fake information. One of the biggest dangers of AI is misinformation. Modern AI can generate realistic articles, images, videos, and even voices. Sometimes it becomes extremely difficult to tell what is real and what is fake. A fake video of a famous person saying something they never said can spread across the internet in minutes. This can influence public opinion, create confusion, and damage reputations. As AI becomes more advanced, distinguishing truth from fiction becomes harder than ever. 2. Deepfakes are becoming more realistic. Deepfake technology uses AI to create highly realistic videos and audio recordings. A person's face can be placed onto another person's body. Their voice can be copied with surprising accuracy. While deepfakes can be used for entertainment, they can also be used for scams, blackmail, and spreading false information. Many experts believe deepfakes will become one of the biggest digital challenges of the future. 3. AI could replace certain jobs. Artificial intelligence is increasing productivity across many industries. However, automation can also reduce the need for certain types of work. Tasks involving data entry, repetitive office work, and basic customer service are increasingly being handled by AI systems. Throughout history, technology has changed the job market. The challenge is ensuring workers can adapt and learn new skills as AI continues to evolve. 4. Privacy is under threat. Every day, billions of people generate data online. AI systems can analyze this information to understand behaviors, preferences, and habits. While this can improve services, it also raises serious privacy concerns. People may not always know how their data is collected or used. The balance between innovation and personal privacy remains one of the biggest questions in the AI era. 5. AI can be used by cybercriminals. Hackers are also using AI. AI-powered tools can help criminals create convincing phishing emails, automate attacks, and identify vulnerabilities faster. As technology becomes more powerful, cybersecurity must evolve as well. The fight between security experts and cybercriminals is becoming increasingly sophisticated. 6. AI may reinforce bias. AI learns from data created by humans. If that data contains biases, AI systems may unintentionally reflect them. This can affect hiring decisions, loan approvals, and other important areas. Developers around the world are working to make AI systems more fair and transparent. But eliminating bias completely remains a difficult challenge. 7. Autonomous weapons. Perhaps one of the most concerning uses of AI is in military technology. Some experts worry about weapons that can identify and attack targets with limited human control. The idea of machines making life and death decisions raises ethical questions that governments and organizations continue to debate. Many researchers are calling for strict regulations to ensure AI is used responsibly. 8. AI could increase human dependence. As AI becomes more capable, people may rely on it for more and more decisions. From navigation and shopping to education and communication, AI already influences daily life. Overdependence on technology could reduce critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The challenge is using AI as a tool without becoming completely dependent on it. 9. The risk of losing control. Some scientists have warned about highly advanced AI systems acting in unexpected ways. While superintelligent AI remains largely theoretical, researchers are studying ways to ensure future systems remain aligned with human goals. The question isn't just whether AI becomes more intelligent, it's whether humans can maintain control as technology grows more powerful. 10. The future depends on human choices. AI itself is not good or evil. It is a tool. Like any powerful technology, its impact depends on how people choose to use it. Artificial intelligence has the potential to solve major global problems, improve healthcare, accelerate scientific discoveries, and enhance education. But it also requires responsibility, transparency, and ethical decision-making. The future of AI is not being decided by machines. It's being decided by humans. Outro. So what do you think? Will artificial intelligence become humanity's greatest achievement or one of its biggest challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology facts, future trends, and educational content. Thanks for watching.